Yeah, welcome back. And in the previous video, I gave this question as homework. So to begin with solution part, starting with RHS, substitution method. Put x is equal to cos theta. Theta value you need to discuss here. That is cos inverse x. Back to the RHS. After putting the value here, we find it to be cos inverse of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, which will reduce to cos 3 theta. Overall, we find cos inverse of cos 3 theta. Because of property, we have 3 theta and then we have 3 cos inverse x. That itself is LHS. This should be a conclusion. Okay. And every time domain need to be, of course, discussed. So, whereas in the question prove that, normally the domain part will be given to us. Okay. But whereas, let me remind you, the same question they can ask you in a differentiation chapter, wherein they are going to ask you if y is equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x, find dy by dx. That's it. Okay. So, if that is a question asked from differentiation chapter, then the same method you are going to apply here, which with the whole term will be reducing to back to 3 cos inverse x. Once it reduces, it's only y. It's y. And finally, you have to say dy by dx. According to formula of differentiation, you need to conclude the answer. So, this chapter, as I mentioned earlier also, this is a supporting chapter for you, for the calculus part. Okay, so that's why I'm highlighting all the formulas to be remembered. The next question here we have, prove that 3 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube, denominator 1 minus 3x square. Okay, so after seeing the term, last class also I gave the chart also. I hope you remember the chart. All the formulas were discussed with you earlier. So you need to start with RHS here. Put the value x is equal to, you have to decide here tan theta, theta reversed back, I should say tan inverse x, back to the RHS. Claim for the value here, put the x value, we find 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, which will reduce to tan 3 theta. Therefore, 3 theta and 3 tan inverse x, that is LHS. So, in this chapter, inverse trigonometry, only question is prove that. But the same question in differentiation will be asked in from the differentiation point of view. Okay. The next question here we find, prove that 2 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse 2x square minus 1. So, after seeing this 2x square minus 1, which formula comes in your mind? 2x square minus 1. You have to remember the formula 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. So, that means you have to put here x is equal to cos theta. Further, I should say theta is equal to cos inverse x. Once you say it is 2 cos square theta minus 1, which formula comes in your mind? Cos 2 theta. So, we are left with 2 theta and therefore we have LHS 2 cos inverse x. Next question here we find, prove that 2 tan inverse x is equal to, it's tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square. This already we discussed in the property also. I hope you remember. 2 tan inverse x can be taken as tan inverse x plus tan inverse x formula. Okay, that method is also applicable. Whereas the question I extended here, that is, it is also equal to sine inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square, because sine 2 theta ಒಳಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ tan function ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Cos 2 theta also we find here. That's why we have the relation in inverse trigonometry. This cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. So exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರ್ತಿ question ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. They may ask you either this term 2 tan inverse x in terms of tan inverse, or 2 tan inverse x in terms of sine inverse, or the last part. Any one they are going to ask you. Okay, so you have to plan your answer, that how best you can conclude it. So exam point of view I'm not giving here, the overall result I'm giving here, but of course solution part while discussing you have to claim for step by step. Like you have to say here, to prove, first you have to make a target of only these two terms. There is 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square, and when you start with this, you can go for the property based what we had earlier also I discussed, or you can start with substitution method as I had done here. It is RHS, claiming for tan theta. We have 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta, which I mentioned it here, which reduces to tan 2 theta, and therefore we have 2 theta. Left out I should say is 2 tan inverse x, that is LHS part. It's the first conclusion. Whereas again I have to claim it here, solution still I have to continue according to the question. I am claiming here 2 tan inverse x is equal to sine inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square. And after seeing this term, definitely you have to remember which formula? 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta anta nenpabeku formula. Submultiple. That's why I always ask you, see the formulas again and again, repeatedly. Just make the chart of all the formulas and repeatedly if you see the formulas, definitely can identify ee formula definitely can say this formula is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta antane ಕಣ್ಣಿ ಕಾಣಬೇಕದು. ಆವಾಗ ನೀವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Easily you can further proceed also. Let's put x equal to tan theta, and therefore we have, so everything reduces to sin 2 theta, 2 theta, 2 tan inverse x. That itself is LHS part. So I have proved it here, this term and this term. Obviously last term, last left out, I need to claim here. There is 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, which I had done it here. 2 tan inverse x is equal to so and so. So after seeing this term, what comes to, which formula comes in your mind? I find it formula 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So obviously claiming here, everything has been done. Cos 2 theta reduces to 2 theta. Finally, I should say 2 tan inverse x. That itself is LHS. Okay, so okay, last conclusion step you can say, from first main, second main and third main, we have the whole result. Okay, just try to conclude the answer. So next question here we have we find, prove that 2 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 2x root of 1 minus x square, and here x plays an important role, the domain part plays an important role. It's minus 1 by root 2 comma plus 1 by root 2 closed interval. Same question they can ask you in this term also. We find 2 cos inverse x equal to sin inverse of 2x root of 1 minus x square. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎರಡು terms ಕೀನಾಗಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ. Both are one and the only one, but once it reduces to 2 cos inverse x and once it reduces to 2 sin inverse x because of the domain part. Because of the domain part. So in this case, the domain part will be x belongs to 1 by root 2 comma 1, its closed interval, and here we find minus 1 by root 2 comma plus 1 by root 2. So now how best, normally standard result of solving, if this question is asked in differentiation, definitely you have to speak about sin theta only. Normally this is the domain which has to be according to given data, this domain will stand. So this is a restricted domain here, and according to the x value. Okay, so if I'll say here according to this result, x equal to sin theta, back to here we find, so we're left out with 2 sin theta, it's root of 1 minus sin square theta. But the root of 1 minus sin square theta is definitely, I should say, it is a cos square within a root reduces to cos theta. The reverse kuda agbodala, I mean to say, cos ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ cos theta, put x is equal to cos theta ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ we are left out with root of 1 minus cos square, that is nothing but root of sin square, which is nothing but sin theta only. That's a 2 result, but x plays an important role here. Got it? But the standard result is this formula only. But this will be discussed because this question is asked in textbook. So question ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, prove that ಹೀಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ put x equal sin theta ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Prove that 2 cos inverse x ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ put x ಕೂಡ cos theta ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದನ್ನಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ you need to go for put x is equal to sin theta only. It is a standard result. So let me come back here. The LHS, RHS I had taken here, and substitution has been done, and finally we are left out with sin 2 theta reduces to 2 theta, and therefore we find 2 sin inverse x as an LHS. Got it? Whereas the same question, if it is asked for to prove 2 cos inverse x, definite domain they had to modify. This will be domain given to us, and in this case you have to say it is put x equal to cos theta. Idan claim ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. And we are left out with 2 cos theta. Root of 1 minus cos square is nothing but sin only. But overall this formula is nothing but, which formula comes in your mind? 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. And therefore we have 2 theta, it is 2 cos inverse x is equal to, I should say it is LHS. So these two questions have been discussed. Okay, whereas a standard question is this only. I'm highlighting this part because you find the other question in your text also. Here you find, yeah, show that sin inverse of is equal to 2 sin inverse x for x belonging to the domain, and the same term is equal to 2 cos inverse x provided if x belongs to the closed interval 1 by root 2 comma 1. Nodi. Okay, it's given in your text also. So please make a note, put x equal to cos theta, then proceed accordingly. They are given the solution part. But this itself is a standard result. Got it? So this had to remember, whereas this, if the question is given, they have to definitely give this domain, and based on this they can ask you prove that question. So both the questions have been discussed here according to textbook syllabus notes. I am proceeding here. Okay, next question here we find, prove that tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square plus root of 1 minus x square whole divided by root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x square is equal to pi by 4 plus half cos inverse x square. So whenever I find this term, within a root I find a term 1 plus x square, 1 minus x square kanda takshana, you have to remember the very important formula I should say it is 1 plus cos 2 theta. I find 1 plus cos 2 theta as well as 1 minus cos 2 theta. These two formulas you have to remember, you have to recollect. So ya formula anta helide naniga 1 plus cos 2 theta as well as 1 minus cos 2 theta. So accordingly I should say 1 plus cos 2 theta barabeku andre definitely I have to say here put x square is equal to cos 2 theta. Not x square is equal to cos 2 theta. So once you claim for x square is equal to cos 2 theta, before you say 2 theta, first you transfer cos here. So commonly people will go wrong here, and that's why I'm asking you to go for this step first followed by this step. So I should say it is cos transferred. We find cos inverse of x square is equal to 2 theta. So what is I should say it is a theta now. Theta will reduce to 2 will act as 1 by 2 will act as coefficient, a numerical coefficient for inverse cos. I mean cos inverse x square. So ನೀವು ಹಾಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ blindly ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ there are chances that you people can take the term as theta is equal to, you people may go wrong with the step, something called theta is equal to, you may say it is cos inverse of x square by 2 anta bariತೀರಾ. Okay, this type of writing x square by 2 means what here? It's a domain for inverse cos function. So don't do this mistake. Don't go for this one. Okay, so be careful, it's a numerical coefficient. Half cos inverse x square ಬೇರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is cos inverse x square by 2 ಬೇರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So be careful about this, and that's why cos is transferred first. Then you go for the angle balancing here. We have to claim it properly. Now back to the LHS here. We are left out with tan inverse of root of 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta upon, okay, all the terms been taken. So 1 plus cos 2 theta, remember the formula. Earlier also I discussed, repeatedly we'll be using these formulas. We find 2 cos square theta, angle properly balanced. 1 minus cos 2 theta goes to, I should say it is 2 sin square theta, which are substituted here. 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square theta, 2 sin square theta and 2 sin square theta. So obviously in root 2 can be taken common. Okay, one more step I have mentioned here. Root has been applied, and cos square has been taken out as cos function, and accordingly all the steps have been modified. Root 2 common in numerator, root 2 common in denominator. Sumne hige ittu root cancel madiro torisbedi. It's a wrong way of representing your answer. So it's understood root 2 is common in numerator, root 2 is common in denominator. Cancellation has been done. Left out cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. This is a very common step which we expect in our inverse trigonometry. Tumba common agi baruvanta situation idu. Tan inverse of cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta ಅನ್ನೋದು common agi ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು numerical sums ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ step ಗೆ reduce ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Once it reduces to this step, remember it's a common step to be done. Henceforth, repeatedly ನೀವು ಈ step ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ. And next followed by, you have to say divide throughout by. Okay, this is step I have taken here once again. So once you go for this step, always remember denominator ಒಳಗೆ first term, this term should be 1 ಬರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. So if this term has to go for 1, definitely you say that both numerator and denominator, you have to divide it by cos theta. Divide by cos theta, divide by cos theta, denominator cos theta, divide by cos theta. It's as good as you are balancing it also. So once we go for this, a common step, henceforth also, ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋ numerical sums ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ this situation will come across. And this is a common step of modifying it and reducing it also. So I have to say divide throughout by cos, and this will be the modified to cos by cos we have 1. It is sin by cos, I should say it is tan. Cos by cos, I should say 1. And followed by I should say it is minus tan theta. So once we come for this situation, this theorem or this result, definitely again your formula. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನ 2-3 ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಒನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ as tan ಆಫ್ ಇದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ tan 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ tan ಥೀಟಾ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ tan 45 tan ಥೀಟಾ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನೂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್, ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಮ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ wherein I find that this whole situation including tan inverse, I find tan inverse x plus y, denominator 1 minus x into y. It is 1 is present here, 1 into I should say tan theta. So whole situation itself I am trying to apply the same formula in a reverse way. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಹೀಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ. tan inverse of x plus y denominator 1 minus xy can be taken as, can be splitted as plus tan inverse x as well as tan inverse y. So the whole situation itself I am comparing with this formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse, this is y. Got it? A very simple way of claiming the formula. And tan inverse 1, no doubt I should say it is pi by 4, plus it is tan inverse of tan theta. So property applied here. We are left with theta. This theta will be replaced back here, which earlier also the previous step I had claimed it here. It is 1 by 2, the numerical coefficient, half cos inverse of x square. That itself is RHS. Okay. So practice this question. Important question for you. So similarly find here one more question. Almost the same result, but only thing x is not being mentioned here. X square is not given here. So same situation here you find, whenever you find root of 1 plus x and root of 1 minus x simultaneously siktu antandre, definitely remember the formula 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta. This formula should come in your mind. Then easily can further claim it, and after claiming also be careful about theta, replacing theta back. And then substitution, all the terms you will simplify it carefully, you will get the RHS here. So RHS kottaga you know the answer, you can cross check it also. But if RHS is not given, so careful agi ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. So right now only you have sufficient time, you can practice it, you can have a proper hold, then definitely this chapter will be easy for you. And as I mentioned, this chapter is the supporting chapter for calculus, for differentiation. So please be thorough with all these numerical sums. So here I was, after seeing this term 1 plus x and 1 minus x within a root, my formula, what comes in my mind, that is 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta only. So accordingly I should say put x equal to cos 2 theta. So what is theta? Balance it properly. Nodi, ಈ 2 theta na hage itkondu say it is cos inverse x. Then 2 is the coefficient for an angle. Definitely this 2 will act as the reciprocal, 1 by 2 will act as inverse cos functions coefficient. So be careful about this. So once we do it here, we find tan inverse of root of 1 plus cos 2 theta. Just go for substitution part and finally conclude the answer. This should be the answer. Almost it matches the previous step only. That's why I kept it as homework part for you. It matches with the previous example only. The next question here we find, prove that tan inverse of cos x upon 1 plus sin x is equal to its pi by 4 minus x by 2. Repeatedly we find this question also in our differentiation. Illi ee question go previous question ಏನು difference ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, here we are not saying any substitution. Put ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Already terms have been substituted here. So no as such put here. Only remember the formula. So when we find cos x here, this term has to be taken as a square minus b square formula, which earlier also discussed. So tan inverse of cos x upon 1 plus sin x. Remember the formula, list of formulas already had discussed. Whenever we find only cos function result, only cos without 1 plus 1 minus ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ only cos, you have to recollect, you have to say it is a square minus b square form. I mean to say cos square, angle to be balanced, half of this cos square theta minus sin square theta. Whenever I find 1 plus sin 2 theta, whenever I find 1 minus sin 2 theta, say it's a perfect square, a plus b whole square as well as a minus b whole square. Remember this formula, repeatedly you will be using these formulas. Okay, so angle you have to be careful, and accordingly here we find cos x. So what comes in your mind? A square minus b square. What comes in your mind? A square minus b square. What about this 1 plus sin x? Say it is a perfect square, a plus b whole square. Got it? So our angle kade ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಮನ ಇರಲಿ. This results to cos square half of this x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. What about this? It's a plus b whole square, where a is always cos x by 2 half of this plus sin x by 2 whole square. So once we claim for this, now numerator just now as I mentioned, this results to what I said, a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A minus b as well as a plus b. Denominator terms kept as it is. So once we expand the numerator, I find one of the term I mean to say cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, and numerator also one term and one term from both numerator and denominator common factor can be eliminated. So here ಉಳಿಯೋದು cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, denominator cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. This situation just now I told you, no, ಈ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ, ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಹೈಲೈಟೆಡ್, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 1 I said. If this term has to be 1, because you are reducing it to, you are trying to reduce it to tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. So 1 baro hage ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. And for this, you have to claim it here, divide throughout by cos x by 2. So divide by cos x by 2 is 1, divide by cos x by 2 is tan x by 2, divide by cos is 1, divide by cos is sin by cos, which will reduce to tan x by 2. So this situation again, which formula comes in your mind? This is common agi baruvanta situation. Maximum questions you'll be approaching in this method only. So we are left with tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus x into y, which can be taken as further as tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of tan x by 2. Property applies and we are left with pi by 4 minus x by 2, that itself is RHS. Similarly, I am sure you people can go for prove that tan inverse of cos x denominator 1 minus sin x is equal to, we find, pi by 4 plus x by 2. So what is cos x now? A square minus b square. What is 1 minus sin x? It is a minus b whole square. See what best you can do, go for simplification. Similarly, we find the reverse of this is also possible. Okay, that is prove that tan inverse of 1 plus sin x denominator cos x, 1 plus sin x is nothing but a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. What is cos x? A square minus b square form. Bare cos x bantu andre it is a square minus b square form. So, okay, I have proved this question also here. We find a plus b whole square, denominator a square minus b square, angle ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಮನ ಇರಲಿ, x by 2. Okay, so numerator one term will get eliminated. ಉಳಿಯೋದು denominator we find a minus b is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Numerator as it is, one fact is left out, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. This is a common situation which will come across in inverse trigonometry. Divide throughout by cos x by 2, left out, and claiming for formula, we find pi by 4 plus x by 2. Similarly, situation can be asked tan inverse of 1 minus sin x upon cos x. Try to go for this question. It is a minus b whole square. This is a square minus b square form. Ali ide nodi. Simplify it, you find the answer. And the question can be asked as with root bantu antandre 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x, root sign bantu antandre 1 minus cos x, I told you repeatedly which formula comes in your mind. 1 plus 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x, isn't it? 1 minus cos x, 1 hingade ittu antandre bare cos ittu antandre a square minus b square. Hingade 1 ittu antandre definitely have to recollect this is 2, 1 plus cos antandre this is 2 cos square, whatever angle here we have, theta, theta by 2, 2 theta, I should say theta. 1 minus cos theta, I should say 2 sin square theta by 2. So accordingly, I had to claim here. Okay, no substitution ಏನು put ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, as it is only the numerator reduces to 2 sin square x by 2, denominator it is 2 cos square x by 2, 2 gets eliminated. ಉಳಿಯೋದು sin square by cos square, that is tan square x by 2 within a root. Root will get eliminated, we find tan x by 2, the final answer should say it is x by 2. Similarly, the same situation can be asked as 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x. Okay, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, perfect square ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. What's 1 minus sin x? a minus b whole square. What is 1 plus sin x? It's a plus b whole square. Repeatedly, the same list of formulas will be applying. We are claiming for the same formula. So, I don't think so. Only practice makes man perfect here. So, repeatedly, ಇದೇ questions ni solve ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ differentiation ಕೂಡ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. To some extent, in integration also, you will be required with the same formulas. Okay, so it's better you practice it at this stage only. And this chapter, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದು chapter ಕೂಡ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Almost 3-4 chapters, the same set of formulas, will be using it. So better you practice it, no? Isn't it? So once we go for this, we find square and root will vanish. We're left with this situation, and this is a common situation. Nodi, the common situation barodu yavaglu. And what best we can do? Denominator ಒಳಗೆ ಈ cos term ಅನ್ನ 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. For that, claiming here, divide through by cos x by 2, we are left out. Once we are left out, formula applies in the reverse way. It's tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, according to situation. So formulas barkotu become substitute claim marta banni, so that you should not go wrong with the sign also. We are left out with pi by 4 minus x by 2, that itself is RHS. Now this situation here we find, prove that, we find cot inverse of root of 1 plus sin x upon, okay, 1 plus sin x kan takshana yaar nenapagtare? Which term comes in your mind? This is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Okay, denominator I find it to be a plus b whole square minus as it is a minus b whole square. So think about it, and I think further I had done the simplification form. I had done it here. I find the terms to be root of, okay, I had taken LHS. Okay, root has been vanished, root has been, square has been vanished. We're left out with numerator cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Plus it is a minus b alli cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Denominator cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Root and square has been taken out. Be careful about this minus. Minus ittu antandre, into ittu andre, take it just a bracket and try to balance it. Bracket you have to take it here. We're left with cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So numerator I find plus and minus sin x by 2 gets eliminated. Denominator ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ bracket ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗಮನ ಇರಲಿ. This is plus cos x by 2. This is minus cos x by 2, which gets eliminated. Left out in denominator, it is sin x by 2 minus into minus plus 2 sin x by 2. Numerator also I find it to be 2 cos x by 2. 2 can be simplified here. We're left out with cot inverse of, it is cot x by 2, and therefore I should take the term referred as x by 2, that itself is RHS. Okay, so these are all questions we had discussed till now. Their questions are on prove that. Away questions anna, this is the next pattern where RHS is not given. What I said, RHS ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ, ರೈಟ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕತ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅವರು. ಬಟ್ RHS ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಚ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. The previous question what they are given here, okay, the same question can be asked, simplify the function ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. cot inverse of so and so. So simplify ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತರಬೇಕು x by 2. So that's a major difference in the prove that question and this question. Prove that ಒಳಗೆ LHS ಇದೆ, RHS ಇದೆ. And simplify ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ, because they'll not give you the RHS term here. So all the question which earlier also discussed, no, this question, I can ask you here, simplify the function, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. Simplify the function, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. Simplify the function. Got it? Same questions can be asked here. Okay. So few questions I'm giving here right now here. Simplify the function. Okay. So tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x for x not equal to 0. Domain normally question ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ. Tan inverse of 1 upon root of x square minus 1. Okay, this question I think we have already discussed. Your tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. So ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾರು ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತಾರೆ? 1 minus cos x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 sin square x by 2. This one 2 cos square x by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪುಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪುಟ್ x is equal to ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪುಟ್ x is equal to ಪುಟ್ x ಕೊಟ್ಟು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನ್ ನೆನಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು 1 plus x square ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ವಿಚ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್? Which formula comes in your mind? Earlier also I discussed. Whenever I'll give you 1 plus x square, remember the formula. It's 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. Otherwise, even you can say 1 plus cot square theta also. So you have to say either put x equal to tan theta or cot theta. Accordingly, the whole term reduces to 1 plus tan square is nothing but secant square theta. 1 plus cot square ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ the result goes to cosecant square theta. Okay, 1 minus x square ಕಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾರು ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? Which formula comes in your mind? It should come in front of your eyes. 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. What about this? You know, ತಕ್ಷಣ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು secant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus 1 ಅಂತಾನೆ ತಲೆ ಒಳಗೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಬರಬೇಕು. Which will further reduces to, according to this, we have tan square. According to the cosecant square, we'll be reducing it to cot square theta. So formula list is very important. Repeatedly, ಇವೇ formulas ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೇವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ definitely you need to practice. And in the previous video, already I discussed regarding this set of formulas. And this formula should be there. for a differentiation chapter, for integration chapter, for this chapter also, I mean inverse trigonometry also, okay, and very simple target, provide if you'll absorb the formula carefully. Okay, so here we find few questions, and I think first question I can discuss with you, left out homework, but again I'll continue the solution part in my next video. So first question, we had tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 upon, I had taken the LHS term. So I should not say even LHS also because they are not given prove that. LHS ಬರೆಯೋದು ಕೂಡ ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. So let's consider the given function. Okay, ಆದರೆ differentiation chapter ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you take it as y is equal to ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. Followed by which term you have to put here, claim here, put x equal to tan theta. So we find 1 plus tan square theta minus 1. So we're left out with here secant square theta within a root, which are eliminated with the root sign. We're left out with sec theta minus 1 denominator tan theta. So ee term ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ again back to primary functions, primary trigonometry. I mean sec theta can be taken as 1 by cos theta minus 1 kept as it is. Denominator tan can be taken as primary level of ಬರ್ತಾರೋ function sin theta by cos theta. Primary level functions are sin and cos. ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. So here we find LCM in numerator 1 minus cos theta. LCM cos theta gets eliminated, and we're left out with denominator sin theta. So once you find this situation, again it's a common situation. What do you mean by 1 minus cos theta? What do you mean by 1 minus cos theta? The terms are 2 sin square theta by 2. What do you mean by sin theta? It says it is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So terms gets eliminated. We're left out with tan theta by 2. Outside we find tan inverse. Reduces to theta by 2. Left out I should say it is half tan inverse x. This should be the answer. Got it? So practice this question. Repeatedly solve marta. Definitely. Okay, you'll be perfect in this. So few more questions left out. Second, third, 4, 5 and 6. Try for this question. Whereas the solution part, let me continue in the next video. Okay. Just to give a hint here, what comes in your mind? Root of x square minus 1 ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Which one you have to claim it here? Put x is equal to either sec function, I mean sec theta, ಇಲ್ಲ cosec theta ನು ಕೂಡ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Left to you. Sec theta. Okay, orally check ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. Square root of secant square theta minus 1 reduces to tan square theta, reduces to root ಒಳಗೆ tan theta. It's 1 by tan theta goes to cot theta. Cot ಇರೋದನ್ನ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ನಾವು allied angle through I can take it as tan of 90 minus theta and we can simplify it. Or you can even go for cosecant square theta minus 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So let's go for simplification part in next discussion in the next video. Okay, this is ready made done. No need to put here ಹೇಳೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. As it is. But what about this? This also earlier already discussed. A square ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ a square minus x square ಅನ್ನ 1 minus x square ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. What comes in your mind? 1 minus x square goes to sine function. So put x is equal to, bare sine anta helbedi, put x is equal to a sine theta anta heli. The hint for this question. Think about this question. Okay. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you.